Hi, good afternoon. Trip Beckert here, SouthFloridaAttorney.com. This is SouthFloridaAttorney.com accident update. As most of you may realize, automobile accidents are by far the most common type of injuries that occur today in America. Not surprisingly, that statistic, because every 10 seconds, someone in the United States is involved in an automobile accident. As a litigator for nearly 20 years here in South Florida, I've handled a variety of different automobile type of injuries. We handle um, scooter, bus, truck, skateboard, bicycle, golf cart, um, automobile, boating. And one of the most important things that I want to reiterate to you today is that you need to document your injuries. You need to have a qualified physician look you over if you've ever been involved in one of these types of accidents. The first thing that you need to realize is that when you're involved in an automobile accident, your adrenaline usually kicks in and it blocks any pain that you may be suffering as a result of the impact of the accident that just occurred. You're in shock, and your body is really not telling you truly what has happened. And it usually takes anywhere from 24 to 72 hours for your body to relax and for the injuries to reveal themselves, unless they are of the acute nature where you've broken a bone or lost an appendage, or God forbid somebody has passed away. But when you're dealing with soft tissue type injuries, more often than not, you don't even know how badly you're injured until you have let your body calm down quite a bit. That's why it's important, regardless of whether you think you're injured or not, you should go to the emergency room, you should get checked out, you should go to your treating doctor, chiropractor, orthopedist, and you should have yourself looked at. You should have x-rays, MRIs, and any diagnostic tests that those qualified physicians believe that are necessary in order to diagnose any injuries you might have sustained. The reason for this is because inevitably the insurance companies will contact you and they will say, "Are you hurt?" Sometimes they do it right at the scene of the accident. Sometimes they do it a day afterwards or that night. And you're really not feeling any pain. And as a result, you may comment to them innocently enough that you're not hurt and that you're okay, only to find out that several days later you are in fact hurt, you're injured, and now they're going to take that statement that you innocently gave them, and they're going to use that against you in any subsequent claim for injuries as a result of this accident that you were involved in. The insurance companies know what I'm telling you. They have a battery of lawyers, doctors, nurses, and folks that help them come up with a way to minimize their exposure for damages. And that's one of the ways in which they do this. They approach you early on, they try to get you commit that there's no injuries, and they try to make sure that you are giving up your rights to any claim against them for the injury sustained. So we want to make sure that we inform you as attorneys here in South Florida how to proceed against the insurance companies for your claim for any injuries that you might have sustained as a result of an accident. If you would like any more information like this, please feel free to contact me at SouthFloridaAttorney.com or 954-941-8363, 954-941-8363. I hope this has been educational and informative. It's not meant to be an advertisement. It's meant to help folks that are involved in accidents uh, prepare themselves to fight against the insurance companies and to get what they are entitled to for the loss they have suffered. Again, my name is Trip Beckert. I'm an attorney here in South Florida, and I'm here to help. Thank you very much. www.southfloridaattorney.com.